have ever watched my the series of a video about the pizza.o ontology tutorial, you may see there's several videos talking about how to visualize your ontology. So there's some video already talking about. Two is mentioned within the Protege. Is you have this OWL-viz. So from this you can show your the relationship from of your class, and also you have this OntoGraph, which you can enable that through your plugin. And with this, it can also show about the relationship and as well as those class, and also you can see here you can make those the visualize and very convenient. But today is also within Pizza.o we mentioned the web visualize OWL, or we short is called WebVOWL. I also mentioned that in one quick video, but for this video I want to specify how to use and how to set up, especially in three parts. First is what's this WebVOWL, where you can get that and how you can download. Secondly is what's the difference for the different type of the package. And the third is I will demo during this video is how you can use the WebVOWL not only on this online base, but also install in your local. That is very important because if you have any sensitivity, even if you just upload your ontology to the website, but if you have some concern about the localization of your data, it's better you have this tool running just in your local PC or your local the internal server, so to prevent any information leakage. Let's start to do that. So first, in the right is this is the website, but if you don't know how to go to here, let's back to the search. So you just need to search on this WebVOWL. So you can give these keywords, then you come to here. So there's also the GitHub repository if you want to join the project, submit the issues or with the discussion with the project contributor team, you can go to that. But first is this is the web-based visualization for ontology. You can click that. Then you can come to their homepage. So you can also back to their older version, but if you directly want to run, so this is the web version. And below you have the installation. So we mentioned in the next step. First, let's have a quick running. So this, as I shown in here, this is the famous the friends of friends, the fourth. The ontology. So if you right click, you can make that in the another tab. So by default, they will load this fourth vocabulary. So from this XML namespace.com is the 0.1. So that is the ontology, and you can see here from this one, any class they have the relationship from the object relationship connect the two class, and the class you can define the data property. Unfortunately, if you check their project, the GitHub site is still there's a very aging question and feature request to ask how we can show the individual. in the ontology on this website. But until now, you can only see class and the relationship or property. You cannot see even you have the individual, you cannot show individual in this WebVOWL. So that is kind of the things we still can keep expecting. And I have introduced the usage for this. You can make zoom in, zoom out. From here is just zoom in the good enough size. And here is already the degree is 0. But if you want to have the smaller, if degree 1, then some those lower level the contents will not be shown. So that's the usage we mentioned before. So if we want to see here, then that is the way. So if you want to search, so like this, I want to search on this online account. So I just gave our you can search online. So you just keep here, and you can see they give you the tips, or even you can have this account. So you can see they don't need you type in the search from the beginning. So that is the convenient. You can go to this one, then they give you the highlight. So that is the basic thing we already mentioned in the pizza O. What I will make second is close that and move on to the bottom. So you can download to run WebVOWL. OWL is on your machine. So you have 3 parts. So first, this is the just the WebVOWL. Simply open this one. So you can download this, and this one is the converter, which I will not mention now. And the third one is we can also download this WebVOWL plus this converter. I don't try the second because I don't have immediately the O2VOWL converter. But when you try to open some O file and its side is cannot load, that means you may need to try this converter because they handle the different format. For now, my sample file is RDF. To save time, is we just try show you these two. So first, if you click this, it will download. You can see from here is the web version 117. I already download that. So here is this one. So you download like our web version. So this file is quite small, so just 300K. And if you extract that, is like here. So as mentioned in the website, is you should be able to open this directly. But I should mention this. Let's do this. Try. So I open this, but you see here, so fail to load ontology, fail to load this one, and it's running in our local instance. You can load the pre-processed ontology using the upload this hint. So what I have is because I'm using our VPN within company, so that means is possible is due to this firewall or the proxy. But on this one, let me open one of my just sample the ontology, like is chemistry. You can see here, retrieve ontology from this also cannot load. Let's see the detail. So what I will do is I will try to stop, disconnect from the proxy or VPN, and let's do this again. So is try to open. Now I can access internet without VPN. but it's still here. So that is what the issue I face in my ontologies when I just load this 1x7. So what I have tried is I download this one, the 1x7 plus the converter. And then you can see here, it's a big one because converter is quite big. So it's 26 megabyte. Same as you can extract that. Then you got this O to O, that is the converter. And then another one is this WAR file. So that is the third one, which is the converter itself is the 9 megabyte, but the converter plus this WebVOWL is 126. This one you don't need to extract that. You should put that into your web server, the web app folder. So I copy this and just remove this version control. So let's just rename this one, and I already have our. Let me try to show you. So I have a local host. Oh, so let me open this one here. So I have the Tomcat version 9. So possible you have the higher version. That's fine. So then you go to, I suppose, similar the folders. You go to program file. Then you can have this Apache, Software Foundation, Tomcat, Web Apps. I already have this 1x7 by default. Now as I show you, I paste this the new name. When you paste that, it's just wait a few seconds. Now they will extract that into this web app. That is the folder. So within here is 2 folders, and we can have a look. There's a certain class library file, and also some this kind of the converter file. What I will do now is you don't need to open this website from the file explorer, but you can go to here. So now it should have this WebVOWL. So I already have this one. So I just opened the new one. So now you can see if you have a web server, it's not like that smaller, the first one, the light version or the direct web WOWL file open from this HTML now is working. So even if I can start to open my sample file, you can see here is loading, retrieving, and now it's loading. And if you have your files, this filter. Now I have this one to try to document some chemistry knowledge, the base. So for example, is on the element part, you can see I have all the element names. Based on those, they are the subclass relation. As I mentioned, I cannot see the individuals if I have, but you can see clearly the relationship. Some element I already built is they have the relation to certain the knowledge. Sorry, that is in Chinese language, but this element part is in English. And if you narrow down the layers, then you can see here, I can zoom in. So that is you can unshow here, and that is the way. So you can see some detail, knowledge. So that is here, and also you can search, or like this. If I want to search the element, it's great because you have not activated the proper per the filter. So you cannot select that. But if you maybe lower down, so let me see you. Now you can see you have that, and this is what's the highlight part. So that is my testing, and I hope is you can also use this WebVOWL OWL is in the better way, and I highly suggest is just no need to depend on the internet access, and you can install this as mentioned into your local web server. Not open directly. Possible there's some the connectivity issue, but I already figured out not the proxy, not the firewall issue. But possible is my working PC still have some the restriction just from the HTML file to access internet. But in short is if you put that into your web server, looks like it's working perfectly fine. And then you can even load this to your the WebVOWLs with your ontology. But let me do our last try is if I have our ontology here. So in the website is I am not sure is whether in let me find this the vibe. This is the ontology file for the pizza O. Shall we open from here with this website? Visualize. That's also perfect. So you can see here, first I open one local file. Secondly, second one is I put one ontology in GitHub. Then is actually is I convert this, I show that in our GitHub page. So that show you as our HTML, the web URL. And you can directly using this local the instance to enter this as our recognized IRI, and you can start to visualize your the ontology. So that also are good. The practice is that you can put your ontology publish to online easily through the GitHub, then to share with your colleague or with your friends is so they can access this visualization, not depending on your local PC. But also our question is how you publish your web server. So to me, is my demo is only our Tomcat in my local PC, but actually I have also the Tomcat is on the remote server. So if this is our server, so let me see here is if I already deploy this to here WebVOWL. I hope it. Oh, sorry, is I already disconnected from the internet. So this server is inside. So that's again is our kind of the security control. So you can have your internal colleague to access this WebVOWL on your internal server. So, but this one is exactly same on what we have demoed here. So you can try. I hope this short video gave you are more insights on how this WebVOWL means to you. I like this very much, and I also want to learn more those characters or the choices, mode, and the recent the addition. They also give you a capability for this editing. So now you can even edit ontology on this web-based interface, and then this can be saved. Even this feature is still in the experimental mode, but it's a great feature. After all, I also hope is they can take time to enable the feature to show individuals. Then this will be fantastic for this tool. But last point, but not least, is just pay attention and make sensitive choice when you're willing to do the editing here. It's capable, but if like it's my ontology is edited in Protege, it will be potential risk if you edit your ontology outside of Protege. Even Protege can recognize some external editing. They can try to absorb those. But I highly recommend this if you want to edit your ontology, try to learn the Protege and try to use that as your the editing tool and the primary tool. So that is you don't have any just invalid editing, because within ontology, within Protege, you have the reasoning tool, so you can keep checking, validating your the editing without the delay. That's all. What are my suggestions? I hope you like this video. Welcome to give me your questions or suggestions in the comments. And I hope is you can also subscribe if you don't do that yet, so you can get noticed by my new videos. Have a nice day. Bye.